Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to get free ads blocker on the Vivaldi browser without any software. First, open the Vivaldi browser. The Vivaldi browser has a built-in tracker and ad blocker to protect your privacy. Click on the shield icon. From it, you can see the privacy statistic and manage the ads blocker default settings. Choose your blocking level, no blocking, block trackers, or block trackers and ads. Let's try it and check if the ads blocker work. In another hand, if you don't want to use the Vivaldi ads blocker, you can download an ads blocker extension from the web store. You can press a shortcut for the extensions, Ctrl, Shift, and E buttons. Then click on the Get More Extensions option and open the web store. Look for an ads blocker and add it to the Vivaldi browser. Disable the Vivaldi ads blocker to check the new ads blocker. Let's try it and check if the ads blocker extension work. And if you don't want the ads blocker anymore, you can remove it from the Epic Privacy browser.